So come on over to ChatGPT and just query it with something like, who are the top 5 best SaaS coaches in digital marketing? So you just make up whatever industry that you're in, find the coaches of the people that you're looking to coach or connect with, and you hit go. And then what ChatGPT will do is it will say, hey, as a cutoff from 2021, here's a couple of names that I can suggest. Number 1, Neil Patel. Number 2, Suhan Patel. Number 3, and it goes on, Lincoln Murphy, some of these other people. So the first thing we do is we need to figure out where our exact clients are hanging out. Now, people that are following the top 5 people that ChatGPT spit out is probably almost the identical exact audience of the people that we're looking to connect with. So all I have to do now is go find groups that these other people have put together, become a part of those groups, and then now we can actually start talking with people who are hyper-curated that we can have great conversations.